I have to ask, I know it's a bit of a controversial thing right now, but crypto. When do you see crypto? Is it over? Is it like, forget it, run for the hills, avoid it? Or are you saying, well, in part of a well-diversified portfolio, maybe it has a place? What are your thoughts on that?
I'll be honest, Darren, I get asked about crypto all the time, right? It's a hot topic. It's only last week FTX has blown up and owes, more than $3 billion to people. It can be a sad story. And I think a lot of retail investors have had their fingers burnt over the last decade since crypto's been around. And don't get me wrong, there's some people who've made a lot of money from it. Again, let me be very, very clear and very honest. From our point of view and from my point of view, it's just not something we advise on at the moment. And it doesn't appear in our portfolios and the way that we manage money. Clients, to give an example of how somebody may gain exposure to crypto through our way of investing. We obviously, we build very broad-based investments. We manage, stock portfolios, ETF portfolios, mutual fund portfolios, whatever it may be. But don't forget, crypto is starting to come mainstream to a degree now, and there are companies that are listed on stock exchanges, like Coinbase, for example, right? It appears on a stock exchange. So if you're investing in the S&P 500 or NASDAQ or, whatever index it may be around the world, you may be starting to pick up exposure to crypto companies, not tokens or coins per se, but crypto companies now just through the traditional way of investing, right? Which is something that we can see in our portfolios, but we're not advising and we don't think it's a market yet that is mature enough or regulated enough to advise clients to buy Bitcoin, to buy Ether, to buy any of these other things that are on the market. It's just not something that we're at with. And I think it's probably going to be some time since we are.
Okay, completely understood.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.